Next Gen Metrics, and we are here to present our idea for SIS 2025. We are chosen our problem statement title is Gamified Learning Platform for Rural Education under the theme Smart Education. The main problem is in rural India, more than 60% of students are weak in STEM subjects and 50% of students do not even have an internet connection. And all this leads to poor engagement and less opportunities for those reasons. Let's imagine a classroom where students are not just learning from textbooks but through interactive challenges, rewards, and games, exploring math, science, and language in a fun and engaging way. For this, we have come up with the solution STEM Play, which is offline first software solution to transform traditional learning to an exciting game and experience.
Respected judges, our solution called Stamply, a gamified stamp learning platform built especially for rural schools. We know that many rural students face two big challenges: lack of internet connectivity and learning in non-native languages. Stamply solves this by working completely offline and providing multilingual content in English, Hindi, Urdu, and is able to other Indian languages. Students can learn through interactive quizzes, puzzles, mini games, and virtual labs, making STEM learning education fun and engaging. Teachers get a dashboard that tracks the progress of students. What makes STEM learning unique is that it is offline first, localized, and AI powered. It works seamlessly in low network areas, support local languages, and adapt difficulty for each student, ensuring personalized learning. Future is ready for every child, no matter where they are. Moving ahead to the technological approach, our solution STEM Play, a gamified STEM learning platform built as a progressive web app using Phaser.js for an engaging offline first experience. It works on Android, Windows, and shared school device. Data security is our priority. We use end-to-end encryption, GWT, and auth authentication. The role-based access for student, teachers, and admins. On the backend, we use Node.js plus Express for sync and analyst, PostgreSQL for online storage, and SQLite for offline mode, ensuring smooth performance even in low internet zones. Our process flow is simple. Students use the offline app, progress is stored locally, and sync to the cloud when online. Teacher get the real-time insight on their dashboard. In the future, an AI layer will adapt game difficulty and give personalized content recommendation. So far, we have completed 50% of our front end and back end integration is in progress. The solution ensures scalable, secure, and adapt learning for all students, even in low connectivity areas.
Feasibility and viability. This slide shows why our solution is practical and scalable. Our solution is completely free for students and schools, funded through government or CSR initiatives. It is already pilot ready. We can start with Odisha government schools and then scale across India. It runs on low-cost shared devices and requires less than 2 hours to train teachers. We have a simple teacher dashboard with a basic analytics so teachers can easily track student progress. Data is handled securely. Most importantly, it even works without internet. On the right, address some challenges and risks we might face, so we already planned its solutions. First, we talk about technical challenges. Devices have limited memory and sync error. Now, financial challenges, dependency on government and CSR for funding. Moving ahead to marketing, resistance to gamified methods. And last one, operational challenges, teacher training gaps. And now talk about solution of these challenges. For technical risk, we optimize the app size and enable background auto sync. Financial risks are mitigated by diversifying funding through NGO and private CSR partnerships. Market risks are managed by creating localized and culturally relevant content. And operational risks are handled by a train the trainer model.
Our web create a huge impact and can provide a great amount of benefits to every aspect of society, whether it is socially, economically, or environmentally. Talking about the social impact, it can boost the performance in STEM subject. It provides 18% improvement in quiz accuracy, and about 70% of teachers said they can now easily track the students which are struggling and give them extra help. Economically, our platform is completely free for students and schools. There is zero cost per student. With government and CSR support, it becomes highly scalable across states. Environmentally, our platform is eco friendly. It reduces paper using since learning is digital. It consumes 40% less energy compared to video heavy e-tech. It is green alternative to printed textbooks and helps to save tree. Stamply is not just a tax solution. It is socially impactful, economically viable, and environmentally sustainable.
Let's talk about research and references. This slide based our approach on strong global and national research. UNESCO reports show the positive impact of digital learning in rural areas. The World Bank recommends offline first strategies which can double access where internet is limited. And we have aligned our solution with NCRT and NEP 2020. The data is clear 60% of rural students struggle with STEM, and research shows gamification boosts engagement by 20% or more. On the right, we have included links to UNESCO reports, NCRT guidelines, World Bank strategies, and gamification studies, proving that our solution is evidence based, practical, and designed for real impact. For rural students, the problem is not talent, problem is access. NextGen Matrix STEM Play is an offline first, gamified, and multilingual platform that keeps learning going even when the internet is not available. Our motto is talent is everywhere. Now, access will be also everywhere.